Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about Verizon and AT&T. So if you guys have Verizon and AT&T, y'all guys need to pay attention to this video. So if you guys have an Android device that runs on Verizon or AT&T, you guys need to pay attention to this. So it looks like that Verizon and AT&T and Google are making some changes here. So y'all guys need to pay attention to this if you guys are a Verizon and AT&T customer and that uses an Android device. So yeah, I'm on friendly.com here if you guys want to check out this article. A link will be down below. So it says that Verizon and AT&T customers may need to adjust how they pay for Google Play purchases. So this has to do with the Google Play Store. So yeah. So it says here, buying paid apps, making recurring payments, or in-app purchases on the Google Play Store used to be easy for Verizon and AT&T customers in the U.S. and in some other countries. Carrier billing could be selected as an option for payment. So certain carriers will allow you to use carrier billing as a payment method if you guys want to do that route. I know that Verizon allows it, obviously, because you guys go to the Google Play Store, go to your payment methods, you guys will see your Google Play balance, your cards, if you have any cards connected to your account, and then you guys will see the option for Verizon billing. So you guys would have the option for that, which is cool if you guys want to, go that route, but I suggest you guys don't do that, personally. Says this is very convenient since any balance due from your Google Play transactions can be simply rolled into the amount you owe on your carrier for the month. However, in the States, an email sent to Verizon customers revealed that starting on February 22nd, 2022, so it looks like Verizon and AT&T, or according to this, Verizon has sent emails to customers telling customers that Verizon mobile phone billing will no longer be an option for payment for your Google Play purchases. So it says it right there, starting February 22nd, so that's about a little less than a month away. I'm sure that AT&T customers will get something similar to this. So if you guys are on Verizon or AT&T and you guys use an Android device on those carriers, you guys should be getting an email from the from Google or from Verizon, Google, or whatever. So yes, I say, however, in the States, in the email sent to Verizon customers revealed that starting on February 22nd, quote, Verizon mobile phone billing will no longer be a payment option for your Google Play Store purchases, end quote. This includes recurring payments made for a subscription. The email adds that other forms of payment can be used, like Google Play balance, cards. If you guys got a debit credit card on file, you guys could use that. The missive from Google includes links to help users manage their payments so they don't face any interruptions in subscription services. A Verizon customer noted on Reddit that he spoke with a Googler who confirmed the legitimacy of the email, but was not told why the change is being made for security purposes, end quote. So here's the email right here. Y'all guys can pause the video and read the email for yourself. So you can check the link below and it'll have this email there. If you guys are on Verizon, y'all guys will be getting this email. I'm sure the AT&T customers will be getting this as well. So yeah, so read that email if you guys ain't got it yet or whatnot. Yeah. It says here, interestingly, besides Verizon, Boost Mobile was originally on the list of wireless providers no longer allowing subscribers to use carrier billing But that since has changed, and Boost Mobile customers can once again pay for paid Android apps subscriptions and in-app payments using their Boost Mobile account. However, AT&T has been added to the list. So if you guys did not know, Boost Mobile was the first carrier to offer this option to where you could use a Boost Mobile account balance to pay for Android applications. I noticed that when I had Boost Mobile, like it's been almost 6 years now since I had Boost Mobile. It's been like 5.5 years now since I had Boost. So Boost Mobile's been doing this for a long time. That's when I noticed about it, and I did a video on it. I don't know if it's still up on YouTube or not. Probably not, but yeah. Says here, so the bottom line for those in the U.S. and to further notice is that customers of the following wireless firms can use carrier billing to pay off their Google Play balance through their carrier's monthly invoice. So these are the carriers that allow you to use Google. These are the carriers that will allow you to use carrier billing on the Google Play Store, and there are 4 carriers here. You got Boost Mobile, you have Sprint, for which is interesting. You got T-Mobile, and you have US Cellular. Are the 4 carriers that allow you to use carrier billing. I don't know why Sprint is on this list, because Sprint does not exist anymore, but it's kind of interesting. It says here, as for Verizon and AT&T subscribers, they will have to use another method of payment for Google Play Store purchases starting on February 22nd. If you're affected by this, you should change your payment setup now by opening the Google Play Store and tapping on your profile picture in the upper right hand corner. Tap the payments and subscriptions and payment methods and make the necessary adjustments. So yeah. So if you guys are on Verizon and AT&T, you guys will no longer be able to use carrier billing for the Google Play Store. So you guys will have to use different forms of payment methods. Like if you guys have a credit card or a debit card linked to your account, you can use it. If you buy Google Play cards, you can use that as well. So you guys will have to do that if you guys want to continue to use that to buy stuff from the Google Play Store. This is very interesting, and yeah, and I think honestly, like, I'm sure some people probably use the carrier billing option. I'm sure some people used it. You know, I never used it obviously because I am on my cousin's plan, and you know, I don't want him to have any extra charges on the bill or whatever. So you do have the option to use carrier billing, but starting February 22nd, Verizon and AT&T customers will no longer have the option to use carrier billing for the Play Store purchases. So yeah, I mean, that's kind of interesting though. But I don't know who used the carrier billing option. I don't know who used it. If you guys have used the carrier billing option for your carrier, let me know. And yeah, let me know if you guys use the carrier billing. This only affects the Google Play Store. I don't know if the Apple App Store has the option or not. They probably do. But yeah. So starting February 22nd, Verizon and AT&T customers will no longer have the option to do carrier billing on the Play Store. So you guys will have to use different forms of payment methods like Google Play Balance, and if you guys have cards connected to your account, you guys can do that. So yeah. If you guys on Boost Mobile, however, you guys can still use the carrier option, the carrier billing option. That's a prepaid option right there. So if you guys have prepaid, if you guys have Boost Mobile, and y'all guys are using Boost Mobile account balance to buy stuff in the Play Store, which they've been doing that for almost 6 years now. So the last time I was on The last time I was on Boost Mobile was in 2016, and they had that option, the carrier billing option. I never used it on Boost Mobile either. I never used it on Boost, but the option was there if you guys wanted to use it. Just make sure that you guys have extra funds in your Boost Mobile account before you make purchases from the Play Store, just to make sure. Yeah, so on Verizon and AT&T, if you guys made purchases using the carrier billing option, it would show up on your bill, and you guys would have to obviously pay for that. But if you're on Boost Mobile, however, it's prepaid, obviously, and you guys would have to make sure that you guys had extra funds in your Boost Mobile account for the Google Play transaction to be successful. So yeah, if you guys have used the carrier billing option on the Play Store, let me know, and let me know if you guys still use it today, because I never used it personally. I never used it. If you're on a family plan on like any carrier, I would not just go use the carrier billing option without permission, especially if you're not the owner of the account. So I would ask the owner of the account first before I would actually make purchases in the Google Play Store using the carrier billing option, because that shows up on the bill every month. That shows up on the bill. So if you're not the account owner, don't do it. If you're the account owner, you can do whatever you want. So yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't know who used the carrier billing option. I'm sure the people used it there for convenience and stuff like that. But that's option that's going away if you're on Verizon and AT&T. So yeah, guys, what do you guys think about this? What will you guys be affected by this? Did you guys like the change, or what? Did you guys use the carrier billing option on Verizon and AT&T? I would like to know that in the comments below. So yeah, this will be taking effect on February 22nd. So you guys have plenty of time to make adjustments and stuff like that. So you guys have plenty of time to make adjustments. So do those now, so you guys don't have any interruptions or any mishaps or nothing like that. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.